Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Label Me Bold along with Marble, and this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using two retiring stamp sets, and we are going to be using Label Me Bold, and we're going to be using this Thank You, and we're also going to be using Marble, the background stamp. Okay, so I have my Stamparatus here, and I have a piece of Coastal Cabana, and it is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. I went ahead and adhered a little bit of snail adhesive to the back of that to keep it down. I'm going to come in with my Bermuda Bay, and I'm just going to ink this up really good. Alright, and then we'll put it down. And just like with the other ones, you want to give it a good rub down because it is a bigger stamp. But the reasoning for the Stamparatus is we could put it back down. But this is good. That's what I wanted. I'm going to go ahead and put that to the side here. And we will start putting this card together. Our card base is Bermuda Bay, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of basic black, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm just going to adhere that down with some snail as well. So just like that. And then I'm going to come in with the Thank You and my Memento black Tuxedo ink. And then I have this mounted on clear black G. And I'm stamping this on Bermuda Bay as well. And I think I want it about 3 times here. Let's stamp that one over. All right. And I have the classic label punch, and I'm just going to cut out the ones that I want here. All right. And I think I'm going to trim off. So I'm just going to trim these off. So just like that. And it was just me being lazy. I didn't want to fussy cut these around, but I like the more finished look of these. Alright, so we'll get our marble piece here. And we're going to adhere that with snail adhesive as well. And we'll put that down, give it a good rub down. And next I'm going to come in with my mini Stampin' Dimensionals. And I'm going to get these little thank yous here. All right. Let's see. All right, and the last one. I'm making these for the employees at our local grocery store. I've been ordering curbside and stuff, and just want to let them know that they are very much appreciated. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple thank you card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. And don't forget, sign up for my newsletter. Bye!